I've gotten these little trees at Target for $5 a piece, and they're really good accent pieces for whether it be Halloween or just because you like eerie, woodsy things like my theme I have in my bedroom. It goes really well with it. But I want to show you another little experiment craft thing I'm working on, which is I'm going to be spray painting this skull, which is concrete. It's really heavy. And I ripped one of the trays out of the little flower pot thing, and I'm gonna hot glue it onto the skull, and I'm gonna spray paint it all white, so it'll form like a little sculpture. It'll be like the trees are growing out of the skull. So here I'm outside. I'm not gonna spray paint the skull. And it don't have to be white, it can be any color, obviously. It depends on your choice. I just prefer white. Alright, so now the skull is done. Now I'm just gonna start with the tree. Alright, so the skull is done. The tree is over here. Well, it's plastic, of course, so anyway, it's over here drying. So this is about 30 minutes in, and it's drying now. I'm sure it's still wet on some spots, but I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the tree on. Hello, boys and girls. So I'm now going to glue the tree on with the glue stick. And my cat Pumpkin's here to help me and assist me. I'll probably just get in the way. Alright, so this is like a last minute idea. I'm actually going to nail 3 nails into the tip of the skull as kind of like a stake for a tent, or like a base to hold the glue and the tree together on there, because I'm not 100% sure if the glue will hold, I guess, the concrete, because I've never done that before. So let's see. Alright, so 1 nail is in, and just thinking about it, I've already got a headache. How about you, little guy? Boop. Second nail is in, 1 more to go. I'm going to put it in like a triangle shape. Yeah. Alright, so I've got the tree positioned into the nails. Now I'm just going to glue around it, and I've missed some spot of the tree, obviously, but that's okay. I can just go back later and fill that in. 1 nail. 2 nail. 3 nail. 4 nail. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, so I got the whole base of the tree coated in hot glue, so it's not going anywhere once it dries. I'm going to add a little more right here, and then I'm going to come down, and this is basically like the roots of the trees, if you think about it, holding it into place. So with that in mind, I'm going to bring that down to the skull and kind of let it just, hang down and let it drip a little bit down the skull. See? Then I'm going to paint over that. I'm going to give it a little more depth. Like it's actually 1. Kind of like candle wax, I guess. Just less messy. See how that kind of goes? It'll look a whole lot better once I'm done painting it. It's just another option. You can also drip little pieces of glue from the tree limbs, like blood, and make it look like kind of like a willow tree. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't have that many glue sticks and plus I want to keep it simple down here. I don't want to take away from this. And it doesn't have to be concrete, because I know it can be difficult to find. You can use a styrofoam skull or whatever, or plastic, which is easy to find around the holidays. And just keep it. Don't think too hard on the design. I mean, it's roots and go every which way. nature is fascinating. Don't you think? Alright, so it's pretty much done, really. Like, it's sturdy as can be, it's not going nowhere, no one's gonna blow it over. So, I'm gonna take it out so I can spray paint and finish that, and we'll go from there. Actually, I'm gonna paint it in here. Be quicker to dry, and it'll stand out more if I paint it a little bit. Alright, so I've been really debating on using black or red, because I think red would be better, honestly, because it looks kind of like it's bursting from his brain, so it'd be more, it'd make more sense, I guess, for it to be red, because it'd be, like, covered in blood. But I don't want it to be too graphic with that, because, like, I mean, it could be for a Halloween design, yes, but I kind of want it to be just like a display, or, you know, it doesn't have to be for Halloween, it could be for whatever. So that limits when I can use it, really, because I don't want to have a bloody skull type thing on my living room in the summer. So, let's just try with black first, or maybe white, we'll see. But there's all sorts of possibilities you could go with this. It could be brown, like this is the roots, you know, of the tree, and maybe start with brown and then fade into red, or white, either one, to make it more contrast and interesting, instead of all just white. So I decided to go with this, to mix the black into a bit darker color, like blood, but we'll just see how it looks when I'm done. I might just go with black again, I'm not sure yet. Just be sure to get every little crevice, like inside of the paint. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm bringing it up to where I missed the spray paint, and as I go up the tree, I'm slowly fading it into the white. You'll see it really stands out now. I'm just going to grow on the whole base of the tree. So I add more paint. I try to add a lot of coat so that it's not because it's acrylic I'm using, and you can see through the paint and the glue if you don't add enough, so be sure to add double layers. And so, my creation is done. I think it turned out really amazing, honestly. And even on the pedestal, it's great. Like, you can make a set of two and put them on a doorway, or in an entryway, or whatever. Here it is with the light on. I love it. But, so I didn't look so random with the glue coming down. I had spatted a little bit of paint down here, like kind of like it's coming out of the ground, I guess, or burst through the skull. But like I said, it's really sturdy. I think it's not going nowhere. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm really proud of it, and hope it inspires you or get you in the festive mood of October, or just for arts and crafts. It's good either way. I'll keep this out all year round, probably, knowing my style. Anyway, hope you like it.